Now they started walking.
Oh yes, on the other side.
Why? You told me that the community said they will not leave.
No. There's the data capture that we have been doing. They registered it. But the report this morning is that they have allowed the data capture to continue.
I don't want to hear that. I don't want to reach it out. Yes, sir.
So after you approve your money, the foundation will chairman.
Right for us as quick as possible. We will do our best to finish this session within 3 months.
Okay.
That's not accessible. It's not accessible.
Call the area for me. Chairman of the committee of the Aman.
Yes.
And they went back call them to go. From I'm going to those people. Talk about family. How can you disturb the public? Try and make sure that you respect them. Let's go to the school. The road going on. The one of the what is it? Yes. Yes, I'll go there too, but I want to see the road there.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
No. This is internal road. This is the main one. Yes, the round one.
Take side.
Excellent.
How are you?
Good to see you, sir.
As then we came, we stopped there. All these photos of the village right there. You can see the road was bearing towards the right way.
Yeah.
Correct.
Good. So you're coming to the side.
Both sides.
And that's it.
Everything is clear.
The bridge is ahead. The bridge, the river bridge.
Yes.
Yeah.
At the very end, you see the bridge.
You saw with your eyes. Let me start by saying I'm quite impressed with the speed of work by the various contractors, particularly those who are carrying out road construction, Julius Berger, CGC, as we saw, and quite impressive. I believe that we're going to, meet up like they promised. by the grace of God, by May this year. And look at the judges' quarters. The FCT, the Federal High Court, and the Court of Appeal. It's really amazing with the level of the level they've gotten to. And that's what I've always said, that with proper management of funds, contractors are willing to put in their best. When they see that funds are coming, they will not hesitate to work. And again, like I've said, give to competent contractors. I mean, with the kind of equipment you have seen, you will not be, nobody will tell you the different story. Again, the support of the community to make sure that the work is not stopped. For their cooperation, we intend to thank them, and this is what we expect from them too. So I'm very happy with what I'm seeing.
Okay. Your Excellency, sir, one of the encumbrances is the issue of compensation. How did you intend to address this issue?
Well, for now, that's why I said the cooperation of the various communities. The resettlement department has said the way it was explained to us has been done. Where we are standing now has been done. Then the water issue, they almost that's about 500 something meters. We believe before the end of the week we would have settled that area. So we are already paying the compensation. The funds have been made available.
All right, Minister. Good afternoon, sir. I particularly recall when we had your media party, you spoke about waste management in the FCT and your worrisome state, the worrisome state of that department. But what's your office doing to ensure that waste management is,
I will recollect when I said that we have a problem. Abuja is quite clean. I only talked about the satellite towns that are not impressed with the contractors. As I speak to you now, I think we are almost done with the selection of the contractors that will be carrying out the waste management. I believe in the next 1 week we would have done with that. Those who are competent, those that can deliver. I think we were tackling it, particularly the satellite town when they're moving on the road. It's already a few scattered all over the place. And for me, it's not acceptable to us.
Thank you very much.